Welcome! Today, we're diving into a simple yet essential feature on Instagram: how to unmute group mentions. Whether you're part of a bustling group chat or just want to stay updated without the constant notifications, unmuting mentions can help you manage your Instagram experience better. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account, as this will allow you to access all your messages and group chats seamlessly. Next, look for the messages icon at the top of the page. It typically looks like a paper airplane and is located in the upper right corner of your screen. Tap on it to enter your direct messages. Once you're in your messages, find the group you want to unmute. This might take a moment if you're part of several groups, so scroll through your list until you locate the right one. Now that you've found the group chat, click and hold on it. This action will bring up a menu with several options related to that group. From this menu, select Unmute Mentions. By doing this, you'll start receiving notifications again whenever someone mentions you in that group chat. This feature is especially useful if you've been missing out on important conversations or updates from friends. And there you have it. You've successfully unmuted group mentions on Instagram. Remember, managing notifications can significantly enhance your social media experience, allowing you to focus on what matters most without feeling overwhelmed by constant alerts. To recap: 1. Open the Instagram app. 2. Click on the messages icon at the top. 3. Find the group chat you want to unmute. 4. Click and hold on that chat. Choose Unmute Mentions. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check back for more tips and tricks on navigating Instagram and other social media platforms. Happy Instagramming!